Hi, I'm Lindsay Bugby from the Postman's Knock, and today I'm going to show you how to make some gorgeous gilded gift tags. You'll need a few simple supplies in order to make these gilded gift tags. First, go ahead and make yourself some watercolor tags. So I've just made these from a sheet of watercolor paper. They are 3 inches tall by 1.75 inches wide, and then I just cut a hole at the top center there. So make sure you've got these. Go ahead and grab the ink of your choice. I am using Iron Gall today because I'm in love with this ink. I love the effect, the tiny hairlines, it's excellent. Your pointed pen nib and holder of choice. I'm rocking a Browse Extra Fine 66 nib and an Extra Fine 66 holder. Of course, you'll need your cleaning water for your nib, and then gold flakes. So these are pretty messy, but we're going to be using them today in the name of a beautiful project. I'm going to go ahead and keep that lid off. And then an adhesive for the gold flakes. So I'm using a glue stick today. They say that glue sticks or adhesives that are water-based are best for using these gold flakes. So go ahead and keep that in mind. But I think anything sticky should work. So let's get started. You can go about doing the calligraphy on these gift tags one of two ways. So you can either write the recipient's name to so-and-so from your name on the front, or you could write to so-and-so on the front and then write from your name on the back. Now, since I want this to be a short demo, I'm going to go ahead and write the to and from information on the front here because I don't want to have to wait for the back to dry. So I'm going to use my Extra Fine 66 nib to write to, and then I've actually got my calligraphy exemplar at hand. This is a bouncy calligraphy style called the Caitlin. I'm going to put it off to my side so I can see the letter forms as I write. That's a really good hack if you're not feeling super confident in your letter forms. And remember that as you write on watercolor paper, this is a very toothy paper. So you need to make sure that you are exerting the right amount of pressure, especially on those upstrokes, because since there are a lot of peaks and valleys in the paper, the nib can really catch. I'm making it look easy, but I have written on a lot of watercolor paper in my day, so that's why this is going smoothly for me. If it doesn't go smoothly for you, do not worry about it one bit. And then I'm going to write from Lindsay. Now at this point, if you have a longer name than the recipient's name, you can go ahead and switch to a different non-flexible or less flexible nib, like the Nico G. I might do that on the next 2 gift tags just to see how that looks, but it's not necessary to switch if you don't want to. Again, this is real time. I know that a lot of people expect calligraphy to go a lot faster, but realistically, it's quite a slow art. So here I am going pretty slowly. But for the next 2 gift tags, I am going to go ahead and make those into time lapses so you don't have to sit here the whole time because this is only one component of the project. Alrighty. Now, once your ink has dried, you'll want to go ahead and start adding the gold. So you'll take a scrap piece of paper, I've got this one here, put it underneath the tag, and then use your glue, your adhesive, to put on sort of a willy-nilly pattern. So I really like a casual, elegant look, like, oops, did some gold get on here? You know, it's not, we're not trying to make a straight line or anything. That is the effect that I like, so I just kind of used a wavy motion. And then you're going to grab your gold. This stuff is messy. You could totally use tweezers if you want to. Or you can just do what I'm doing and pop it on there. This is just cheap stuff that I got online. Definitely under $10 for a lot of it. And it does get all over the place. The other morning I woke up and my husband said, "You have that gold stuff in your hair." So it gets all over, just so you know. And go ahead and give that some time to dry. And while you let that dry, you'll want to work on your other gift tags, so I'll speed up the video for that. And okay, I do just have a couple of comments to make sure that you understand how to apply this. First of all, you just grab a pinch of it and then just try to glue down what you can. So you can see I'm just using this dabbing motion. If you get lucky, once in a while, you get a big sheet out of here. I haven't gotten that lucky yet. Do you see how pretty this is? Like, it just has this casual, elegant look. It came on my radar because I'm writing a book about calligraphy right now, and I'm at a section, working on a section about wedding invitations. And I said to my editor, we have to include a wedding invitation with this, you know, gold foil stuff on the edges. So I'd actually never used this before, even though I'd seen it like on Pinterest, and I thought, okay, obviously I need to figure out how to use it. So I've just been making a couple of projects like these gift tags, and then also an envelope with gilding on the edge. So we'll see if that makes it through the mail okay. But yeah, once you get this stuff down and it's had a bit to dry, you're confident that the adhesive is dry, you're going to burnish it. So just grab an old paintbrush and go ahead and use that paintbrush to get rid of the excess gold. So the idea is that you're going to get off the gold where there isn't any glue. Every once in a while, especially if you don't wait to do this part, you'll get gold that comes off, like here on the edge. Do you see this? But I actually think that it adds to the casual look of this project. And so you could fix it by adding more adhesive and putting more of the foil on, but I think it's kind of cool. So I'm gonna leave it that way. And then I will do the other two. And then once you finish, you can go ahead and recycle this excess gold foil by putting it in a container. I'll just set that aside for now. And then you've got your gift tags here that look like they were just casually dipped in some gold. I like to pair these gold gift tags with jute twine because jute twine is such a casual sort of material. So it really acts as a counter to that elegant gold. You can go ahead and thread that through. But of course, if you're wrapping a gift, you can just use whatever ribbon as well. And if you want to, you can always gild the back of these gift tags. It doesn't just have to be the front, which would further suggest the idea that they were just dipped in the gold. But yeah, that is how you make these simple gift tags. I think these are just the quintessential casual, elegant project because they've got the gold, but they've got the casual calligraphy and sort of that rustic look with the jute twine. I hope that you enjoy trying out this project for yourself. To me, gold leaf is such a cool tool for elevating something that's quite ordinary. So these tags that are really pretty plain into something that's extraordinary and looks great on any gift. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.